How to set up Assistive Access on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Assistive Access. Now in here at the top, you want to tap on Setup Assistive Access. And in here, Assistive Access provides a distinctive iOS experience for iPhone. So let's tap on it and then tap on the Continue button. Next, tap on the Continue button. And here, choose how you want to have your apps appears on the screen. You can have it in rows or in grid. And then tap on Continued. And here, select the apps that you want to be to have it available in Assistive Access mode. So here I want to have calls available. So in here you can choose to have it receive calls from favorites or contacts or everyone. You can set the make calls to allow make calls to favorite, contacts or anyone. And then in favorites you can choose your favorite contacts. So from here, tap on Select Contact, and then simply choose Favorite Contact. And in here, we got in-call options. So tap on Keypad to turn it on or off. Tap on Speaker to turn it on or off. And then tap on Continued. So that is just for one app. Now you go down and then you continue to add in other apps, such as Camera. In here, you can choose which mode is available for camera and then tap on Continue. So as you go along, you go down the list here and select the apps that you want to make available. And that's it. So go down the list here and select the apps that you want to make available and then tap on Continued. Then tap on Continue again. And then it's a Assistive Access and Unlocking iPhone. So tap on Continued. And then we set up a passcode. Next, we enter the same passcode. And then in here, it asks you to set up a recovery Apple account. I will select Not Now. And then tap on Continued. Then tap on Start Using Assistive Access. Or you can do that later. So here, I will enter the passcode. And now the phone is entering Assistive Access. Okay, this is the Assistive Access. Once you enter this screen, everything is larger. So you can tap on Call to make call. You can tap on Camera. And here we can take photos, photo selfie, video or video selfie. Here we got calculator, back, calendar, back. And to end Assistive Access, you can triple click on the side button and then tap on Exit Assistive Access. And then we enter the passcode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.